Hey you guys, I'm Tisha Marie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. And I've got another wig review for y'all today. This one is coming from UNice Hair. I want to thank UNice for sending this hair over to me to review, and thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. As always, I do want to let you guys that are tuning in know that even though this video is sponsored, you can always trust me to give you my honest opinions and review of this hair. So if y'all are interested in seeing me install and review this hair, then let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the box that the wig comes in. It's very pretty. Open her up and you get a cute little thank you card, the bag that your wig comes in, and then you also get your goodie bag, and this is how it looks straight out of the pack. So this lace is pre-cut, so you don't have to cut any lace off if you don't want to. It says that the knots are pre-bleached and the hairline is already pre-plucked. As you can see, we also have some pre-styled baby hairs. So you do get your band already attached inside of the wig. This is how much lace you get. So I'm gonna go ahead and like pin my hair up, put a wig cap on, and come back so we can pop this wig on our head and see if it's truly like beginner friendly and super easy to just like pop on and go. Now before I put this wig cap on my head, I just want y'all to see my foundation. Like I literally just have pins, like bobby pins and clips all over my hair and like little pin curls, if you will. But to make sure it's nice and flat and my hair stays protected, I'm gonna put this wig cap on. This is one of the ones that UNice sent me, and it is an HD wig cap, so it's nice and sheer and lightweight. Do I need to put some makeup on this lace? What y'all think? We might be okay. We might be able to get away without putting any makeup on it. I also didn't show y'all how long this wig is. It's like 24 inches. Let's go ahead and just put it right on and see what it's giving. I can tell right off the bat, this wig cap is a bit too small for my head. So if you got a big head like me, you might need to get a bigger size wig. Girl, my head is just too big. Like that's just what it is, but we can still make this work. I do want to show y'all the very front of the hairline though. This is how it looks before I like really do anything to it. So I feel like as far as the plucking goes, it looks good. I'm just gonna kind of like comb this back out of the way. And I also need to comb this part down so it's not looking like lumpy. Now I'm gonna take some mousse and I'm just gonna put it right on the very edge here so that I can melt that part down. Alright, so this is how we are looking after I put a bit of mousse in it, and then I did add just a little bit of layers to the front. Hopefully y'all can see it really well, but I'm gonna go on and take this band off so we can see how the lace looks. She's looking pretty good. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about the specs of this wig. So UNice calls this their bye-bye knots wig, and obviously the reason that it's called that is because the knots are already pre-bleached. It says that they're hand dyed. So the frontal is a 7x5, and what I like about it is that it's already pre-styled. So that makes it super quick and easy to just put your wig on and go. Y'all already know that this is a glueless wig, but I'm gonna lift it up so y'all can see that it's truly glueless. Like I didn't go off camera or make any cuts or edits and go and put glue on the wig. See, no glue at all, and we're good. And the lace itself pretty much melted, so I didn't put any makeup or anything on the lace because when I put it up against my hand, it didn't look like it needed any. I feel like she's cute. It's real cute. And then I'll show y'all how long it is. So it's pretty long. It's coming all the way down to my waist, and that's without me stretching it out. If I was to stretch it, it'd come like down to my butt. I think this is definitely really cute. The hair is really nice and soft. Like I didn't even re-wet it and redefine the curls. So yeah, I think that it looks really nice, especially for me to not have like gone in on the lace with my foundation or anything. It looks pretty good. Like even from different angles, it still looks nice. You know what this hair is giving? It's giving, I'm about to go on a vacation, lay on somebody's beach, and have my man just bring me drinks, because I don't know, that's just what this hair is giving me. It's very cute. It's definitely giving me like tropical vacation vibes. Very, very nice. It's definitely like a easy spray down redefine your curls and go type of wigs. And you know what else I like? The fact that I did not have to do any plucking to this hairline, and it looks really good. Like I didn't even do any plucking in the part, didn't put any concealer or anything in the part, and it's giving. Maybe you're a girl that does like baby hairs, or maybe you're a girl that is not really great at doing baby hairs but you do want them. This is gonna be the wig for you. It is very nice and full, so I do like that. Like you don't have to worry about this being a thin wig, because it's not thin by any means. I love the fullness of it. It's not so full that it's just like huge and a ton of hair, but it's giving like just enough fullness. Now it did have just a little bit of shedding. I just got like a few hairs that shed when I ran through it with my fingers in the mousse. It wasn't anything too crazy though, like nothing that was alarming. I think that shedding probably just came from the fact that these knots are already pre-bleached, and when you tend to pre-bleach and pre-pluck a hairline, then you do get some shedding. Like that's normal. And another thing that I really like about this wig is that you get a lot of parting space, so you get the look of a frontal, and like you can work with where you put your part. So as y'all can see, I was able to do a side part with this wig too. Like you don't just have to do a middle part. So yeah, if y'all are interested in checking this wig out for yourself, I will leave it down below in the description box as always. And once again, thank you UNice for sending this hair over, and also for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. And that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching and tuning back in today. If you like this type of content, please let me know that down below in the comments, and also give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and that you have your post notifications turned on so that you don't miss it anytime I upload a new video. And your girl will see you in the next one. All right, bye y'all.